This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to make Jordans. It's a fascinating topic, as many factors contribute to the final price tag of these iconic sneakers. We'll delve into the various expenses involved, from the raw materials used to the intricate manufacturing processes and beyond. Understanding these elements will give you a clearer picture of what goes into creating a pair of Jordans and why they command their market value. Let's uncover the financial journey of these popular shoes. When we talk about the primary cost factors, materials are a huge part. Think about the high-quality leather, durable rubber for the soles, and various textiles that make up each shoe. Then there's the skilled labor involved in every step, from cutting and stitching to assembly and rigorous quality checks. Don't forget the manufacturing overhead, which covers everything from factory rent and utilities to the machinery that brings these designs to life. These are the foundational expenses. Beyond the factory floor, several other expenses add to the overall cost. Getting the finished Jordans from manufacturing facilities to distribution centers and then to stores involves significant transportation and shipping costs. A substantial portion also goes into marketing and advertising, building the brand's image and reaching consumers worldwide. Furthermore, continuous investment in research and development ensures new designs and technological advancements, keeping the brand at the forefront of sneaker innovation. These elements are crucial. Finally, let's consider the retail price you see in stores. This isn't just the manufacturing cost, it includes profit margins for the brand itself and markups added by retailers. The immense brand value and exclusivity associated with Jordans also play a significant role in their pricing. Essentially, by the time a pair reaches your hands, several layers of costs, profits, and strategic pricing decisions have been factored in, reflecting both the product's quality and its cultural impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.